What's going on, everyone? Todd Chun, TCDeals with the Alexander AC Green, baby. We're gonna get this boat out of the water. Wish us luck. See how this goes. Shorten this rope up.
They put it in a carpet gun. This thing's way easier than the other ones.
What's that?
This thing's way simpler than the other ones.
All right, that's my $500 boat out of the water. Now I got to get this beast out of my backyard somehow. All right, Todd Chun, TCDeals. You got a deal, you want a JV, you got a property to sell, 248-497-9195.